It's a 3-door parking garage with a red door, a white door, and blue door. Let's see what's behind the blue door. I've got a blue key to open the blue door. It's a turquoise cement mixer. And this cement mixer rolls. It's got black tires. Vroom, vroom. That's so cool. Let's see what's behind the white door. Here's a white key to open the white door. It's a cement roller truck. Vroom. It has a yellow body and a black roller. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So the cement truck will mix the cement, pour it on the ground, and then this roller truck will smooth it out. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's see what's behind the red door. That's right, I got a red key. It's a dump truck. Vroom! This dump truck is blue and yellow. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So we have a dump truck, a cement roller truck, and a cement mixer. That's 3 construction vehicles. Now let's put these cars to the side. And close the doors. Let's see what's behind this blue door this time. Ooh, it's a yellow bulldozer. Vroom. Vroom. That's pretty cool looking. What's behind the white door? Wow, it's a backhoe. It has 2 shovels, one in the back and one in the front. Vroom, vroom, vroom. What about the red door? It's an excavator. This one has 1 big shovel. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So this time we have the bulldozer, the backhoe, and the excavator. We have another 3 construction vehicles. So let's combine it all together. We have the bulldozer, the backhoe, the excavator, and then the cement mixer, the cement roller, and the dump truck. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vehicles. Let's see if we can see them all at once. Here's the dump truck and the excavator, the cement roller, the backhoe, cement mixer, and the bulldozer. Wow, that's a lot of construction vehicles. Did you have a favorite construction vehicle? I thought they were all pretty cool. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!